Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to do a easy TWA puff style. First, I'll be using my kinky curly knot today, and I'll be massaging that in a circular motion so that it will help to define my curls. Next, I'll be using my curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture, and I won't be using a lot, just a small amount. And again, I am massaging it in a circular motion. When you apply your products that way, it actually helps to define your curls. Next, I'll be using my bottle of oils. I'll be doing a video on what is in my oil bottle, but for now it's just essential oils and water. And again, I'm massaging that in. I'm using my picking comb to pick my hair upwards to prepare it for the puff. This is like catching your hair up in one, but not really. Next, I'll be using my Pantene Defining Curl Styling Custard, and I won't be using a lot because it does leave a crunch to your hair when it's dry, so I'm just using a generous amount. I'm also using this brush because I love this brush. It actually massages my scalp and it's soft. You don't want to use an harsh brush on your hair, especially on your hairline. Next, I'll be using my Eco Styler gel. I love my Eco Styler gel, by the way. Yeah, if it's almost finished, I need to refill. But yeah, rubbing that Eco Styler gel in. As you can see, those curls are coming up. I don't have a lot of curls in my hair, but yeah. I'm using a headband that got stretched out. And please don't do it too tight, because if you do it too tight, that could actually not be good for your hair and your health. So again, I'll be picking it. Yeah. Pick that afro, girl. There goes my puff, my TWA puff. I'm adding an accessory at the back just because of the part that I tied, so it just gives it a pop. See, I love my little accessory around there. Trying to get that afro perfect. There we go, girl. Yep, work it. For my edges, I'll be using Eco Styler gel again, but you can use your edge control or whatever gel you prefer, or you can just let it be. And I'm using a small toothbrush to just brush those edges in. So there we go. Yep. There goes my TWA puff. This puff is actually very easy and a convenient TWA style. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Very convenient. So yeah, there we go. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.